Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. Today we're doing an unboxing, which I'm super excited for. I wish this would come a little bit earlier in the month, but they generally do come at the end of the month. And I am talking about the box. Now this is now $30. I pay 20? I think it's 25 because I pay 20 a month for this because I got grandfathered in from when it very first started. I actually got the second box in. And the people that have been that long get it for the $20. Everybody else pays 25 if you are a new subscriber. I don't know if I can link there because they don't do PR or anything, but I know if you go on to the box and then buy Fashionsta, if you Google that, it can easily take you there. I'll try to link it, but I don't know if I can. So, again, they have this box, which is 25, and they have a men's box that I think is either 25 or 32 that they also do monthly. And like I said, this is monthly. So, let's get into it, you guys. I enjoy this box so much because every month it has such good things in it. It does allow you to learn about some indie brands, and it also has some good brands in it sometimes that you're like, what? That was really in the box? Like the very first box had a beauty blender in it. Name brand beauty blender. So they do have, but they mainly have a lot of indie. But I love it, and the items are always so good. So let's just get into it, you guys. I'm so happy. Maybe we can get into it. I did just cut it, didn't I? Maybe I didn't. There we go. All right. I don't like the black squigglies all over the place, but that is what you see when you open it, and you have your little products and squigglies and all that right there. I'll move this right here in front of me. All right. So, your subscription helps others. It says, we truly rise by lifting others. Feel good about your subscription because it makes our partnership with the 1736 Family Crisis Center in Los Angeles possible. With your box purchase, we are able to lovingly donate self-care items to people overcoming and healing from domestic violence and human trafficking. A sincere thank you from our hearts and the 1736 family. To learn more, please visit 1736familycrisiscenter.org. So this box does give back, which is amazing. None of our other boxes do that. And it does tell you what is on there and a little bit about each item. So we're just going to dive in. First thing I see is white. And have no idea what this is. So let's see. It has an expiration date on it for 2022. Looks like it says CLE. You're not going to see anything till I at least open it. So let's go ahead and read. So this is CLE Cosmetics. I don't know if, I guess that's how you would say it. Melting lip powder. Okay, there's a color. There's hot chocolate, hot cocoa. A capsulized lip product that transforms pigment powder into a long-wearing lip tint with a deep matte finish, thanks to its hero ingredient, vitamin E. Using your fingertip or included lip applicator, okay, melting lip powder can also be applied for the eyes, cheeks, and a flush of natural color. I'm a little confused. Paraben-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. I'm confused. I've never heard of anything like this before. So let's see. It says included. I don't know if there's a brush in there or not. This is, it's definitely powder. Okay. So I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it moving around in there. Can you see it moving? There you go. Can you see the powder dropping? That's weird. Okay, let's open it up and see what happens. I'm scared it's gonna get everywhere. Okay. Okay, so there's the brush. Oh, do you see everything flying off of it? Doesn't smell like hot cocoa. I was hoping it did. Okay. So it is very much feels cooling. Is that me? Come on, is that just me, or is it really cooling? It feels cooling. So that's so weird, you guys. I don't know what to think about that. But okay, I mean, I'm down to try new things. So I'm definitely going to do a little bit of research on this. And this is awesome. And if I didn't tell you, this is valued at $20. All right, moving on, you guys. That was pretty interesting. This was a spoiler. I did see it, and I hate when I see spoilers because just I want to be surprised. But I'm excited to have this. And this is the Mermaid Milk. Let's see, where are you? So Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer, valued at $42. A purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates, and balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. This lightweight, creamy formula is packed with superfoods, spirulina, and matcha. I know I didn't say that. Anyway, and matcha. She's non-greasy, never oily, nor sticky, absorbs quickly. Wear her under makeup or alone to let skin breathe. No synthetics, it's vegan and cruelty-free. So, yeah, absolutely. Look at it, it's all blue. Oh, dive into glowing skin. And then that is what it looks like. Very pretty. Ooh. Ooh, it smells herbally, like kind of herbally, a little bit, but not in a bad herbally way, like a good, like cooling herbally, unless that's from that thing, but it's really nice. Oh, it's beautiful, you guys. Rubs right in, no issues with that. Okay, moving on, we have, oh, an item from Catrice. That's okay. So I said that we get high-end brands. Well, I guess we get drugstore stuff too. But Catrice is coming up. I'm telling you, people are starting to learn about Catrice, and they have some amazing products along with Essence. Essence is really good too, you guys. So this is Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Finishing Spray, $8. Shake well before using. Can be used for priming, fixing, or refreshing. Transparent, fast drying spray to give you a dewy, glowing shimmer, perfect for a quick on-the-go touch-up, and it's paraben-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So that's pretty cool, and there is 50 milliliters in here, or 1.69 fluid ounces. I'm not going to open it because if you could see how many setting sprays I have right now, you'd probably be like, are you kidding me, girl? So we're not going to open that right now, but I'm super happy to see it in the box. That's amazing. All right, pulling out the next thing. See, this is why I don't like the black things in here. Can you see all that black mess all over my beautiful white product? It is because of these squigglies. Stop putting these in there, you guys. You're killing my products, making them look ugly. Okay, I'm too hyper today. So this looks like it is an oil. It says Dirty Lamb, okay. The Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum, looks like an oil to me, valued at $44. They're not kidding with the value this time around. Brighten up your day and skin with a powerful blend of fast-absorbing, naturally derived oils. Rice bran oil, Japanese anti-aging secret, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day, natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. Okay, I'm not opening this right now, again, because I'm not really keen with oils. But I do want to start using them because I have some, like, dry spots, so maybe this will be the one that I start to use. It's definitely an oil. But, you know, I'm scared of oils. I just got to take that leap. All right, looks like we are down to the last two items. Get these squigglies out of here. That is now done for. And we have two things here. So we'll start with this, and this is from Bella Pierre. Color Correcting Concealer Palette. Wow, and Bella Pierre ain't playing around. They're expensive. Yeah, $50. So they're expensive for a concealer palette. Come on, guys, that's pretty high end right there. Use underneath foundation to make any imperfections such as dark spots, acne spots, dark circles virtually undetectable. Color correcting is a technique that's been used by makeup artists for decades to banish imperfections through use of colors that cancel each other out, and it is cruelty free. And that is absolutely right, but please know what you're doing before you go to do it. Please do some research, because I've made a fool of myself before trying to put different colors on things that didn't look good. And it's just, I'm telling you, don't do it. Make sure you research what you're doing first. So that is what it looks like. That is on the back, but it does work, you guys. And then when you take it out, nice little palette. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Oh, it's going to give you a book to tell you how to do it, right? Is that what this is? Oh, I get too excited over stupid things. It is. Okay, so make sure you read this before you try to do any color correcting. Look, it has the color wheel on here. I'm sure there's a lot of great information in this. I definitely will be reading this, even though I kind of pretty much know what I'm doing. But trust me, everybody can learn something. So please read through this if you are going to try to color correct. But that, it has a mirror, and then there are our shades, you guys. I'm excited about this. I'm truly excited because I only have, what is it, a Wet n Wild one that I don't even pull for because it just doesn't work. And then I have a color correcting thing that I got from Believe Beauty that's the peach color. So basically like this color in a single, which I do use. So I'm really happy to have this, and I'm super stoked that it has an instruction booklet on how to use that. That's amazing. Even before I started like running my mouth about don't do it, and then there's an instruction booklet right there. So that's kind of cool. All right, last thing is a palette, which I'm excited to see. And of course I'm excited to see all this stuff. This is a great box. August, thank you. I mean, we needed some kind of brightness in this month, year. Am I going to say this right? Amoras? Probably not. Shine Bright Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $9. A colorful, fun palette with a mix of matte and metallic finishes. Try wetting your brush with a setting spray before dipping into the metallic shadows for a foil-like metallic finish. Paraben and cruelty-free. Okay, shine bright like a diamond. Oh, they're cute. The packaging is adorable, you guys. It's got the flowers all the way around the mirror. And then there are the colors. They're so pretty. I don't know if I want to touch it right now. It's just so pretty. I mean, there are colors in here that would be unique to my collection, but I have so much stuff, so I don't know if I'm going to play with this. I think I'm going to go look at reviews before I mess with this at all. But I am so happy to have it. And, you know, I might actually, because this green one right here, I don't have that in my collection. That's kind of cool looking. I love that. So, I mean, I might use this, but, you know, keep this video down a little bit too. We're just going to say, here's the palette. Hopefully it's really good. I'm going to do a little bit of research, see how it is. If you guys have used this or seen reviews, let me know, please, because I am very interested in it. And I have probably, I'm not kidding, like at least 20 palettes that I haven't touched yet. Like, seriously, there are 1, 2, 3 right here that are Anastasia. I have ColourPop. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I haven't touched there. So, I mean, I have a lot of palettes to even go through and try. So, let's recap, you guys. This, I thought, was an amazing month. They are saying that it is valued at $173, you guys, for a $25 box. $173. It's amazing. So we have a palette right here that is a beautiful palette. A beautiful palette. I am over the moon with this Bella Pierre color correcting. Like, over the moon. The Mermaid Milk. I'm so excited for this month. We have the oil, which I'm probably going to try. This that I'm definitely doing some research on, the hot cocoa pigment, whatever it is. And then we have the Catrice setting spray. What did you guys think? I thought they killed it. I might even go as far to say that I liked every single item in this box probably better than Ipsy, and probably really close to BoxyCharm, because BoxyCharm gave me some exfoliator, slip-on exfoliator in both my boxes. I was a little salty about that, but okay. I mean, it's whatever. The rest of the box killed it. But I'm saying, like, this is amazing, you guys. If you guys are interested in going and subscribing to the box, please do. I think they're great. They give back, and it's an amazing company, you guys. Thank you so, so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Have a fantastic day. Bye.